In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view TradingView charts effectively. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, mastering TradingView is an essential skill to have in your trading toolkit. TradingView is among the most powerful and widely used charting platforms available, and it offers a wealth of features. So, let's dive right in. To start off, open your web browser or launch the TradingView desktop app. You'll want to focus on the chart icon. It's usually easy to spot in the interface. Alternatively, if you're navigating through the menu, you can go to Products and select Super Charts. This step is crucial because it takes you directly to the chart section where all the magic happens. TradingView's charts are highly customizable, allowing you to tailor them to your specific needs and preferences. Once you've accessed the charts, take a moment to explore the default settings and layout. You can adjust almost everything to suit your trading style. For instance, you can choose different time frames, from seconds to months, depending on your trading strategy. Whether you're day trading or looking for long-term trends, this flexibility allows you to analyze markets in a manner that aligns with your goals. You'll also notice a range of tools available on the side panels. These tools are incredibly user-friendly and provide options to draw trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and many other indicators that can help you make informed decisions. It's worth spending some time experimenting with these features to see which ones you find most useful. Moreover, TradingView offers a variety of chart types, including bar, line, candle, and Heiken Ashi, to name a few. Each type has its unique advantages, and selecting the right one can make a big difference in your analysis. Candlestick charts, for example, are popular for their easy-to-read representation of price action, so they're a great starting point if you're unfamiliar. Additionally, consider creating watch lists on TradingView to monitor all the markets you're interested in. This feature means you can quickly access and switch between different charts without having to search for each one manually. It's a huge time saver that ensures you can respond quickly to market changes. Lastly, don't forget about TradingView's community features, where you can share your analyses, follow other traders, and see how they interpret market movements. It can be incredibly insightful to compare different perspectives and strategies. And there you have it. You've now learned how to view and customize TradingView charts, setting the stage for better market insights and trading strategies. Keep experimenting with these tools, and soon you'll be navigating the platform effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in. Happy